Good evening everyone, this is another unboxing of the DCHRO. I got these event cards. As you can see, they're quite expensive for 5 cards, but I was lucky enough to pick them up for £15 today. Game have a lot in the UK, so I'll probably go back and get another 2 boxes if I can afford to do that. But here goes. So, it's not an amazing number, but the art card is nice. That's cool. I prefer the box one because it looks more shiny. That's cool. Oh, now I like this one. This is pretty. So yeah, I don't know if I can say it was worth the money I paid for it, for 5 cards, but hey, we need to collect all of them, so I'll just keep going. I really like the box. Annoyingly, if I try and take the sticker off, it will probably ruin the box. So I'm going to go back tomorrow and see if they've got any without stickers on. Have a good evening and have a nice weekend.